How are you everyone? My name is Larry. I'm 13 years old and today I want to share something. Here is my friend Linnea.
Nice to meet everyone. I'm Linnea. We are very excited to be here today.
We have a fun event planned for today. Linnea, tell them what we are doing.
We will be cooking and filming it for you to see.
I hope it will turn out perfect. Let's dive right in. Follow us.
We are going to make tteokbokki, a famous and beloved Korean dish distinguished by rice cake, fish cake, vegetables, and red pepper paste.
Shall we start our culinary journey?
Let's begin by simmering a yummy broth. It adds more flavor to the tteokbokki. It is the key to make tasty tteokbokki.
Let's make the tteokbokki seasoning while waiting for the broth to simmer. The seasoning is made of 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of red pepper paste, and 1 spoon of star syrup. Let us concoct all these ingredients.
The broth simmering, I add the seasoning in. Also, add rice cake and fish cake too. Wow, the smell is really mouth-watering.
Yes, it is. Vegetables should be put in when the rice cake is cooked. Lastly, let me add some cheese. You don't have to add cheese, but it makes tteokbokki more delicious.
All set. Time to enjoy. I can't wait to taste it.
Today was so much fun. I enjoyed filming this vlog. Don't you agree, Linnea?
Yes, it was so great experience. I love sharing this vlog with my friend.
How does everyone think of our food? We made it with love, so it has to be delicious.
True. We will have to do some tasting and grading later.
Thank you everyone for watching and being patient with our cooking. We hope everyone enjoyed it.
Yes, thank you so much everyone.
Until next time, bye bye!